Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through the simple steps to activate your Target gift card so you can start using it immediately. Step 1. Gather your gift card. Locate your Target gift card and make sure you have the card number and PIN ready. These are usually printed on the back of the card under a scratch-off panel. Step 2. Log in to your Target account. Open the Target website or mobile app and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to use your gift card. Step 3. Redeem your gift card. Navigate to the Gift Cards section and select Add a gift card. Enter your card number and PIN as requested, then click on Add to Account to complete the activation. Step 4. Confirmation. Once your gift card is successfully activated, you will receive confirmation on your account. Your Target gift card is now ready to use for online or in-store purchases. Step 5. Start shopping. You can now use your Target gift card balance at checkout. Simply enter your card details online or present the card in store, and your balance will be applied to your purchase. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up for more helpful tips.